Welcome to How to Solve.
Hi there! In this video, I'll show you how to use threads from Instagram. Let's go! So Instagram have released this brand new app called Threads. So you may be wondering what it is and how you can use it. Now that's what we're going to be talking about today. So as you can see here, it says the Threads app is for sharing texts, updates, and joining public conversations, just like on Instagram. With Threads, you can follow and connect with friends and creators who share your interests. So that's sort of the basics of it. It's actually quite comparable to Twitter. As you can see here, posts can be up to 500 characters long and can include links, photos, and videos. So, firstly, you need to go and get the Threads app. So, for some users, they can go on their profile and then just tap on the three bars in the top right. And there may be a threads option in this list here. And the app is going to go and open up. And as you can see here at the bottom, it's allowing us to go and log in with Instagram. So for me, this is the Instagram account that I'm going to use. And if this is the wrong account, you can just simply click on switch accounts at the bottom. In this case, it's the correct account that I'm using. So I'll just go and tap on my name. It's going to go and take a moment to load. Customizing your threads profile. So what you can do is tap on import from Instagram or skip in the top right. I'm just gonna go and import it though, and then I'm going to go and tap on next. You can then choose if you want to have a public profile or a private profile. I'm just gonna keep mine in public and then tap next. And then what you can do is go and decide if you want to go and follow the same people. In this case, I'm not gonna do it for now, so I'll just press on next in the top right and then I'll tap on join threads. It will take a moment for your account to be created, but once it's fully loaded, I will be guiding you through a few things in the app. So at the bottom, we've got this home icon on the far left, and this is going to go into the home page if you click on that. And here you can see some threads from your friend, and then go to the right of the home page. This is where we've got the search button. So when you click on here, and you can go and search for a specific creator if you want. And then to the right of the search icon, we then have the create button. So just click here and we can go and start a new thread. So what I could do is type in hey, let's say with an exclamation mark. I could tap in the paperclip icon, and here I can go and add a photo or a video, but you don't have to do that. And actually, that's the big difference between Threads and Instagram. You can just use text here in Threads, and then here in the bottom, you can see you can choose who can go and reply. I'll just have anybody, and then I'll go and tap on post, and just like that. Now it's posting, and we can go back and check it out in a moment on our profile. We just have to refresh our profile by dragging it down. And then on the right of the create button, you can go and see activity. So this is going to be much like your Instagram activity. Here you can go and see who's liked and who has followed you. And at the top, you can also go and use filters as well. And then on the top right of the activity page, you've then got your profile. And as you can see, you can go here and edit your profile. You can share it, and you can also go and view some content you have posted before. So here I can see the thread that I just created saying hey. And then in the top right, you've got the Instagram icon, and that will just be opening up. And if you click on that, it will just be opening up your Instagram. And then we've got the three bars in the top right as well. Here you can go back and check out some of your settings. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, that's it. That's a quick tutorial on how we can use threads from Instagram.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.